cable. And this vacuum is lightweight and portable. It is very lightweight. When I felt it, I was like, oh, is this going to work really well? But the power is real with this one. It really does have a lot of suction, and it's really nice. It has an improved HEPA filter. It has all-around cleaning. The handheld vacuum provides deep cleaning for your house and car. The hand vacuum cordless helps you clean the dust in sofas, walls, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas with the 3 different attachments. It has a bright LED light, which I really like that. The LED light of the handheld vacuum is great for cleaning dark corners easily, and it's easy to clean at night. What else? You get with this vacuum the brush tool, a crevice. I will show y'all now what it is capable of. I really enjoyed using it.